Salvete, guys. It's Hodges. As you can see, I am not at school today, and I won't be until at least next Thursday because the Rona has made its way through my home, and everybody here is sick. No one's too bad off. It's like a weird cold, and hopefully it becomes nothing more than that. Anyway, on to more important and interesting things. Here's some Latin. So, looks like you guys will be navigating your way through stage 6 largely without me in person. But I'm going to put together a series of videos and to walk you guys through everything starting here. Well, I guess it started on the last one, but whatever. 4 things for today. First off, if you haven't caught up on everything yet, go back to the past planner and start there, and you can work your way back. Everything here, none of this is busy work that I'm just giving you. All of this is meant to help you better prepare for everything. When I get back, we're going to do the test as scheduled, which will probably be, so like I said, I'll be coming back not tomorrow, but the Thursday after that. We'll probably be having the test about the week after that. So watch these videos, use these resources. If you do everything that I'm asking you to do, you'll do just fine. Little independent learning didn't hurt nobody. I'm always available by It's Learning message if you feel like you need help. I got lots of time on my hands these days. All right, so first thing, vocabulary review. I've made a Tower of Doom challenge, which is one of the modes we haven't tried yet. It is supposedly only homework only. It's meant to be done individually. It's a weird one from what I've heard, and it can be a little lengthy, but I do want you guys to attempt it. And it is vocabulary coming from stages 4 through 6. If you need a brush up on that, here's a link to the Quizlet with all the terms. You can have it open in a separate tab and reference it while you're doing the Blue-Kit so that you can, score better and, get used to getting the right answers. Okay, after you've attempted that, hopefully you complete it. The second thing is to prepare to take some notes, to get out pen, pencil, or just be ready to take some pictures of some pages. Write down relevant information. Watch this video. This is my YouTube link right here. Non-YouTube link right here if it says restricted for whatever reason. Take the information that you feel is important. I don't have slotted notes for you to follow. It's going to talk about the different tenses of verbs, how you can identify them, how you can translate them. I kind of highlight in there what's worth writing down. All right. Third thing, after you finish taking the notes, there's a folder of practice quizzes on It's Learning. They're little It's Learning quizzes. I think there's like 5 or 6 quizzes in that folder. I want you to attempt the first 2. You're aiming to get an 80 or above on each. You have unlimited attempts, and it should show you, if you're getting something wrong, it should show you. So use that feedback to learn and try and get above an 80 on both of those. Finish everything else, then I would like for you to go into your stage 6 folder. And I'll actually include a link on here because I know I was never able to print enough out for everybody. So I'll include a link to the stage 6 folder right here. You're going to read the story Felix, which is the next story after Pugna. Like I said, if you haven't completed last class's thing, pause this video or stop this video. Go back to the last class in the planner and do that. That's where we worked with Pugna, did the listening activity where you listen to it, answer true or false questions. Either way, once you've read Pugna, read Felix, and complete the Felix reading questions activity, which is linked right here. It'll take you to another Google slide with the questions. As you can see, they're all in Latin. So first thing you may want to do is try and figure out what it's all saying. This word, agunt, for example, is from that stage 4 through 6 vocabulary. I think it's actually the first word in the list. So if you try and remember that or go back and look, you should find it. See if you can answer these questions, answer in Latin, or if you answer them all in full Latin sentences, I will give you some sesterce when I get back when you show me. Except for the last question. The last question is just in English. You can do these on a computer or on a separate sheet of paper. It's definitely be something to put in the portfolio later and something to show me. Right, and so those are the 4 things for today. Pretty straightforward. If you feel like if you work through class and you feel like you run out of time, I'm sorry. I feel like this should all be completed well within the time of class, but sometimes I'm pretty bad at guesstimating how long things will take. So I hope you find today helpful. If you need anything, please do not hesitate to message me. Like I said, I'm kind of sitting around all day, watching children. but got a lot of time on my hands. So feel free to reach out if you're confused or if you need help. That's all I got. Till next time, y'all. Walete. Have a good weekend.